Benedict Tso Vilakazi is the all-time top goal scorer for Orlando Pirates with 52 goals plus 32 appearances for Bafana Bafana.
If you understand what I'm talking about, you will say to me, so you are correct.
Now you can catch Tso live every Monday on Omni Audio, TikTok, Facebook, and X. Don't miss Tso's football wisdom exclusive to Omni.
Hodman, asengizokudedela manje. But just before I let you go, as a coach yourself, we had Coach Tugutugu Makanya this morning.
Yeah.
And we missed the opportunity to ask him about Usimpiwe Silepe, another player that he promoted from the DDC, a player that came onto this Orlando Pirates team, played well. Rivero, it looked like Rivero bekamthanda, and at some point he was even called up to the national team, Bafana Bafana, to play. Ever since Coach Owadu took over, the boy hasn't been getting much game time. What does the future hold for him, Lapagu Orlando Pirates?
Look, it's not a nice thing to happen to you that you go, you play, and then suddenly they take you out. Then you are no more. It seems like you are no more part of the team. But he needs to understand that if Coach Wado can put international players in the bench, Mbule in the bench, Umbata in the bench. I'm talking about players that they play for Bafana Bafana. Those are international players. So that means the competition is very, very tough. Very tough for all of you. Very tough. So, it's something else. And Wadu is so brave, Coach Wadu, so brave that he can put Abombata, Musepombuli in the bench. And Usilepe, I like the boy. I saw him, he's got good touches there and there. I thought he was going to get more time in the game, but unfortunately, I think Coach Wadu has just picked up certain things. That's why even Abombata and Abonduli, Mbata no Sipo, they always were. They always sitting in the bench and allow Tansin and Nemtejela to do the job. So again, I'm saying the coach has to take some credit in terms of decision making, and also when I talk about decision making, I'm talking about who to play, who not to play. But hopefully, everyone's going to get a chance.
It's going to be a difficult one, Hotman.
Yeah.
Doesn't this then affect our national team? Because you look at how Hugo Bruce has built a squad around certain players. For example, Tebogo Mokoena, we know he's a regular go Bafana Bafana. Hugo Bruce is going to play him.
Yeah.
Talent Mbata is becoming a regular himself. Go Bafana Bafana. Hugo Bruce is going to play him. Now that you look at Orlando Pirates, they have a lot of teams who are they have a lot of players rather who are key players for the national team. And the Coach Owadu not playing those players obviously affects their form, number one. And then it show Hugo Bruce in a selection, because second team I build the logo. I know if I pay Mbata no Mokoena. But now, if Umbata doesn't get enough game time, he's show Hugo Bruce. Now Hugo Bruce is forced to then go back and find a replacement for Umbata. Then Loemundo needs to build a new combination, Nomkwena. And the Sago AFCON, Sago World Cup. Doesn't Coach Owadu benching these key players, Bafana Bafana, slightly affect the country?
You know, I'm thinking deep. Because we don't want to find ourselves as a country, as Bafana Bafana, where our key players in the national team, they are not playing in club level. You don't have to find ourselves in that situation, and I think it's going there, because at some point it might be Sundowns to teams of a pension. But when it comes to national team, he was selected and you'll go in and do well. Look at the last game also again, UCBC was selected in the national team. But he's not playing well in the club level. So that's a tricky one. But one thing I will tell you, one thing that I'm 100% sure about it, no more Obama can ask me at any given time, I'll tell you. Do you know this thing called love is blind? who coach Bruce, when he likes you, he likes you. Even if you can be off form, but because he likes you, he's going to select you. Njalo.
Hotman, ngiyazi ngiyadeviate nyana, but I think these are things ekwamele ukuthi kukhulunywe ngazo. Relebogile Mfokeng iyaqala isizini, he hasn't scored a goal. We saw there was a bit of a dip in form yakhe. He wasn't playing his best football and then gets injured. Makaba injured, so Ozona Police ups his game. Tsepang Moremi ups his game. Siyabona manje nabo dancing ukuthi bayenzani. Even uTito now, he's having a tough time now. Sometimes uyadlala, sometimes akadlali. And again, siyago AFCON, siyago World Cup. You need Relebogile Mfokeng at his best. Makabuya lana Grootman, do you think uyaye AFCON, uyaya ku World Cup okuzomela ukuthi aqale awine i-lineup Orlando Pirates? And with that said also, is going to come back and start effective immediately?
King of 2000, I need anything. Maka fit. Is it Bega? Once we start watching already national team, because we don't have another winger that really can give us that dimension. Yaga King of 2000, where the boy when he's got the ball, you never know what is he gonna do, because the way he's so smart. So it's gonna come back. Where the team in, but definitely when he comes back, Coach Ward will put him. There must be a healthy competition in the team, so he must put him. Whether a police or Umurem, I think maybe the Tatu Murem beg a pension, and then say at Mfokeng a police, and then you guys will start end with. So other than that, I am born back.
So Makabuya nje same time uyangena
straight away. Asithi kusasa umile solindi coffee fix plug kwamanzi. No, dala plugile amanzi umile fa kushukela kuphela, and then you drink tea.
But does Orlando Pirates need him right now? Like kuyabonakala isgap yakhe.
Mina personally I see because there's one thing on King of 2000 that he can also help you in terms of coming in and place the number 10. If you want to put Muremi and put a police on the width, and then here comes him, and then he can place number 10, then you get my man. But they need him, especially now when Sundowns they are making such mistakes. Then you need to punish.